Wow, it is rough out there, man. Day 26 of trading full time. The market's still open for about 20 minutes. I got some positions open. I got some exposure. I was down a lot, then I was up pretty damn good, then I was flat, then I was down, and I'm up a little bit. You'll see by the end of the video, because there's still 20 minutes to go, so I'll let you know my results at the end of this video. And right now I'll just kind of let you guys see kind of like how the day went, what I was trading, where the account was. It's just part of the trading vlog, man. Never a dull moment. Never a dull moment in the markets, man. A lot of swings. A lot of swings. I was up a few hundred. I'm actually down 45 bucks, but we'll see. Bar closes at the end of the video. I got to manage these trades for the next 20 minutes. Market is melting down, man. I'm down about $2,400 right now. It's 10:07 a.m. So about 37 minutes into the market, it looks like I think we're going to get a bounce on some of these names. I mean, Tesla down to 280. I think we're going to get a reversal, probably close over 300. We will see. I got quite a few call options. I got some more. I was hanging on some from last night. I'm still trying to get a bounce on the trade desk, man. That's really low. And then, oh, let's see, man. APP getting smashed again. I think that'll recover. So yeah, we're gonna work ourselves out of this. Down 2,600 right now, even down on the S&P futures options, which usually do pretty well for me. But I think we are gonna get a recovery.
A few moments later.
All right, so 10:14. That's been about 7 minutes. We are down to only about $1,000 down now, 1,100. So this market is bouncing, kind of like I thought. We're gonna manage these trades, and I think we're gonna end the day green, man. We'll see how it plays out, but it's definitely coming back, man. There's a lot of stuff going on. I like the volatility. But you do get yourself in those situations where you get decent pullbacks, as you're trying to trade yourself out and catch these different moves.
A few moments later.
All right, 10:22 a.m. We're only down $200, so we are definitely coming back down 123 actually. Coming back strong, man. Yeah, this market, a lot of back and forth, man. A lot of oh, we're green. $1.54. Look at that. All right, good stuff, man. Good stuff.
A few moments later.
Okay, now it's 10:32. We're into the market. Hour and 2 minutes. We're up $537. So turn that around, man. But let's see. Do we end up over 1,000 today? Do we end up red? I could just cut it and leave now. I have my $500, which isn't bad. I mean, my average day is over 900. So we'll see, man. There's still a lot of the opportunities. So this will probably go red again. Then it'll probably go green. And, we'll manage it and keep you guys updated, see how it closes.
A few moments later.
Okay, 11:24 a.m. So a little bit less than 2 hours into the market. We're looking good, man. We are at all-time highs. We're at 1340. For profit, I got most stuff closed down. I got a couple call options left on TDD. That thing went under 71. Now it's over 73. So I had stock and some options that I closed. I still got two calls. Tesla, I made some money on these 300 strike calls. I made 410 bucks on that. I'm still down on my 320s that I held overnight though. A couple of other things. I made pretty good money on Nvidia, 313 bucks. I ended up making money on the S&P options, 365 total earlier in the video. I was talking about I was down on that, but I was trading in and out. So let's see, what else did I do? That's really nothing. $102 on APP. But overall, yeah, we're looking really good, man. We're looking really good. And pretty much the risk is off. I don't have that much exposure. A little bit of Tesla and some trade desk for the most part, but up $1,300.
A few moments later.
All right. It is 1:30. So the market's still open for 2.5 hours. And I'm up $1,600. So Tesla's starting to come back. Looks like it's at 291. It's actually green for the day. It was kind of back and forth a little bit. Nvidia was trading more of that. Pretty much, it's really just that Tesla that I'm in now. And I'm not even concerned. I like these calls. I like this play. I'll hold those overnight again if I have to. Yeah, I'll be back a little bit later to check in and give you guys the update. I think, see, one cool thing about trading, by the way, because again, I don't even really have any risk or exposure at this point. It's after lunchtime. I could like take off and get a haircut and come back, and yeah, you have some freedom after you manage a lot of those trades early in the morning to do whatever, which is kind of nice. So I'll be back and all freshed up.
A few moments later.
All right, so 235. The market's really dumping. The S&P made a new low. I got back into Nvidia. Palantir I got to get into. Let's see. Got another APP call. So we're still up 700, though this thing did pull back, man. Tesla's obviously down too. So let's see what the last hour and a half roughly brings.
A few moments later.
Man, this market is dicey. 2:46 p.m., 9:28. We went flat there briefly. Crazy enough, man. But now we're up almost 1,000 again. So yeah, make sure I'm not holding anything else that I shouldn't be. Now we're looking good. We're at up $1,100. Okay, so this is pretty good. Well, that sucked. The market closed at the absolute low. The future's at 58.74. I mean, Nvidia closed at 120.15. I was hoping to get a little reprieve. Could have cut those 400 shares at 122.50, man. AMD closed under 100. Anyway, long story short, down $865.75. So that's my third down day in 26 days. That's still below my average day, though. So, it was pretty much flat on Monday. Made $2,000 Tuesday, $2,000 Wednesday. Down 865 today. So I'm still up about 13 for the week, which isn't that great. If I make another 1,000 on Friday, then the week doesn't look so bad. So we'll see, man. But overall, over the last 26 days, 23 looking good. I mean, the 26 days are fine. Taking a loss. This is my biggest loss so far. The other 2 days, I had about 730 and a 780 loss. This is an 865. It is what it is. But we'll be back tomorrow. I closed all the stock, man. I think we're gonna get a reprieve. I wouldn't be surprised if we gapped up. I hope we gap down. I'll get back in some of these names, and then trade in and out. But I think we're gonna get a bounce. Anyway, make sure to subscribe to the channel.